Have you got $1,000 sitting in the bank just now waiting to be invested? Don't worry, I've got a really great video for you today on what you can do with 5 cryptocurrency investment to help you not just double, potentially 5x your money in the medium long-term future. Hi, my name is alexkohyt, and today I really want to share with you these 5 jewel information to help you make a decision on your investment journey. Cryptocurrency is such a young age where there's still so much growth to be deployed, and obviously it comes with the risk. So for your hard-earned $1,000, you could take that risk and potentially grow it even bigger. So not to waste time, let's go to the first crypto, number 1. It is called POLYGON. POLYGON is basically the side chain of Ethereum at layer 1. It's basically, think about it, building a bridge to link to the Ethereum network with other companies and other coins that are not already part of Ethereum. I like it because it's under $2. And with it under $2, it's always a buy for me. The thing I like about POLYGON is the stability. It is not growing as much yet, but the dApps are growing. The functionality, the partnership are growing day by day on Twitter, as you can see it. So the potential great reason why you should hold POLYGON is the staking. Staking rewards for POLYGON could range from 10 to 15%. So it's no reason for you to sell. It's like paying you a dividend. So you could earn 10 to 15% from staking alone on POLYGON to help them scale. And when Ethereum goes layer 2, POLYGON will go mode layer 2 as well and also grow along with them. So that's why POLYGON is my first one that I'll suggest holding, because it's cheap, and also the staking feature at between 10 to 15% looks very, very attractive. For the second one, my current favorite is you should invest the $1,000 in Kusama. This is such an underrated stock because people don't understand, and I'm going to share that with you quickly in the next 60 seconds. So Kusama is a polka dot ecosystem. Kusama coin is used as a tool, not as a coin to grow in price. You buy one Kusama around about $300 to $400 just now, and you used it in the parachain auction. It's a bidding tool that you use to bid it in an auction to get rewarded for the next big project. When I say the next big project, is not a meme coin, it's an actual functioning project. So for example, a project that came out of parachain number auction 2 that's been won about 3 months ago, the return on the mover coin when the IPO came out was 720%. Yes, you invested one Kusama coin into the auction, and when the auction won, it rewarded users 720%. The only downside to the Kusama auction is you have to hold Kusama coin for 48 weeks minimum. So it means that the lockup value for Kusama is so long, it makes people buy more Kusama. So if Kusama goes up, your reward coin goes up, you are in a win-win situation. For the sponsor of this video is by Crypto.com. So Crypto.com is my preferred go-to broker because it provides me a fancy card, it provides me a wallet to hold my coins, but most importantly, it's the staking. I can stake my POLYGON, my Polkadot for 10 to 12% on the platform, and I can stake my Ethereum for around about 5.5%, which pays me on a weekly basis. So this is technically passive income. So check out the link below, click the link, and if you like it, you will get rewarded $25 for your sign up entry. So thank you very much. Enjoy Crypto.com. The next coin, number 3, is Enjin, EJN. And before I begin, Crypto.com stakes this coin for 3% growth if you're holding Enjin up. Enjin is a very hype one in the gaming world. So a lot of games are being developed day by day, released week by week, that they use the in-game currency called Enjin. So players are buying this coin, staking up this coin, stocking up these coins so they can buy in-game currencies, and if they earn currencies within the game, they can trade it out for real money currencies. So it's becoming gamification, and it works with the younger generation. So Enjin is really, really popular, and many adopters are going down this route, using this as a development tool. So you should check it out. I see this as a good 10x potential still as a minimum in the short, medium term future. So Enjin, if you are a gamer, that will be the coin for you. Okay, the next one is the Terra Luna ecosystem with $1,000, and if you want passive income to grow the amount, Terra Luna will be the one for you. So Terra Luna, you basically buy the Luna coin. You can get it on Crypto.com, you can get it on KuCoin, you can get it on Gecko Coin. you transferred your Terra Luna or your Luna over to the Anchor platform, okay, the Anchor protocol. So from there, what you can do is you need to bond your Luna and convert it into B Luna, which is bonded Luna. And with your bonded Luna, you then convert it into UST by borrowing UST. When you say borrowing, it sounds like a credit card loan. Don't worry, when you borrow, you pay a fee. But when you pay a fee, you get rewarded at the same time. Whatever you do, you will still make money. You're not going to make a loss. You're not going to be in debt. So when that happens, you can use your USD and earn 20% APY as it currently stands today, as you can see on the screen, around about 20%. So you can earn passive income of 20% easily. But if you want to be a bit more adventurous, your 1,000, so you convert 50% of 500 USD to Anchor, 500 USD, and you liquid pool it. When you liquid pool it, you will be rewarded around about 42% as it stands today when this video is recorded. So you can choose whether you want to make the easy way, 20% income on your $1,000 USD, or you can bond these two together to make 42% and get rewarded in Anchor. Okay, the final fifth one is my current new baby favorite. It's the Moonriver coin. MOVR, and MOVR just got released 2 weeks ago, and guess what? MOVR spun off from the Kusama parachain auction number 2. Okay, so for those who joined the parachain auction number 2 for Kusama, made a bundle from the Mover coin. So what is the Mover coin going to do? The Mover coin is basically an Ethereum built on the Polkadot system, trying to bridge link the first highway for Polkadot to Ethereum network. And guess what? It's only 10 million in supply. So it makes this very, very rare, very, very limited. And guess what? Bitcoin is around about 15 to 16 million, and these guys are only 10 million. That you're not going to find any more Moonriver coins anywhere. So they're expecting Moonriver coin to go from 100 to 200 to at least 1,000 in the next 24 months or 18 months. So it's up to you whether you want to take that high risk for that high reward with great potential. And so thank you very much for watching this video on this top 5 coins that you can invest with your $1,000 and grow and not worry about your substantial low amount of investment, because again, $1,000 is very hard earned money and you want to make it work and you want to take considerable amount of risk, and crypto should be the way to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like and subscribe. Go to crypto.com referral link if you want to earn $25 like what I do on a passive income. If not, have a good day. Hope to see you soon.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here. Bye.